Hello friends, so today we're going to discuss another problem from LeetCode, problem name remove palindromic subsequence. So I have to open the drawing board for understanding or make you understand the problem statement. But the problem statement in simple terms states that you are actually given a string S which consists of only the characters A and B, okay, and then in a single step you can remove one palindromic subsequence, okay, not a substring but a subsequence from S. Okay, so I hope you understand the difference between subsequence and substring. The subsequence means that you can take out some characters, even like not taking continuous string, and then they should be forming a palindrome. I'll tell you in simple terms, so you will make it more understand. So as you can see, a substring is a continuous form. Okay, like if you have some string like this, if you have a string like this which is A, B, A, C, D, E. Oh sorry, every character is between A, B. So A. In this string, if you take out maybe this part, this is a continuous string which is a substring. But maybe if you take out this part which is like A, take out this 2A, then take out this B, A. So this A, this 2A, this B, A. This is a substring. Now this can also be a substring, no problem, but substring can be formed by like taking out different sections or different part of this whole string, but they should be in order. As you can see, you cannot put A then B A. They should be in the same order as you have taken it out. Okay, and then you can concatenate it back and that can form a substring or subsequence, I'm sorry. So you have to remove out some subsequences from this string such that, like, in how much steps you can make this string equal to 0, that there is no remaining characters in this string. So I'll tell you again in simple terms. You are given some string like this which is in the form of only like A and B. So as you can see, take just one example: A B A B B A B, like this. And you have to delete out some characters, or actually a subsequence, from this whole string. So in how many minimum steps you can delete out some subsequence from this string such that the whole string becomes 0 or empty. That's the whole problem. Now how you can solve this problem out is, the first thing which I observe from this problem is, okay, if this whole string is A, everything is A, then obviously you can take the whole string, because everything, like the whole string is like a palindrome only. So if the whole string is palindrome, you can delete it in one step. Same is everything is BB, then it is fine, you can do it in one step. But if there are some A and some B, then what you can do here is take out all the A's in one step, because see, if you just take out all the A's, they obviously will form a subsequence, because obviously take out this A, this section, this section, this section, and this section, I can take out a subsequence. So this whole A's part will form a palindrome, and then all the remaining will be B's only, and that will also form a palindrome. So in 2 steps you can delete out any, in maximum you can delete out any substring, or like in any string, just delete it out whole in 2 steps. So if everything is A, everything is B, you can do it one step. If everything is somewhat mingled up, you can do it in 2 steps. So is that the answer? No, it's not the answer, because maybe the original string is a palindrome only. What I mean by this is, maybe the original string is like this, A B A. Now it's not beneficial to delete out first all A's and then the single B, because the original string is a palindrome. You can take this whole string as a palindrome and then delete it out in one step, because you can take out one subsequence now. So every substring is also subsequence. So you can take this whole string as a subsequence and delete it out in one step. But maybe there is some section which is like this. As you can see, there is some section which is like a palindrome. So it's not better to delete this like this section in one step and then do some things on this step, because you will eventually lead down to 2 steps, and then obviously we have seen in 2 steps we can delete out any of the string. So if the whole string is a palindrome, then only you can delete the whole string in one step. If everything is 1, you can delete it in one step. B in one step, or else in any other case you can always delete out in 2 steps. You should not go beyond 2 steps, because the simplest way is delete out all A's and delete out all B's. I hope you get the point of how we have to solve this problem out. I'll take out to the code part now. So first we have to just check that whether the whole string is a palindrome. If the whole string is palindrome, we just have to check that this is the function. We return out 1 because we can delete it in one step. Or else the whole string should be same. So I'm just checking out that whether the whole string is consisting of only A's or only B's. If it consists of only A's or only B's, return out 1 because we can delete out in one step only. Or else return out in 2 steps, because in 2 steps we can delete out any string. If the whole string is not of the same characters or originally palindrome, then only we can delete out in one step, else we can delete out obviously in 2 steps. I hope you understand the logic and the problem. If you still have any doubts, you can mention down. I'll see you next one. Till then, keep coding. Bye.